If you're 23 years old and looking at Amazon Prime, make sure you check out Amazon Prime for young adults. I'll leave a link in the description down below or the pinned comment. You can click either one. It'll take you to this landing page where you get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime and you get 5% cash back. And it's only half price after your trial. So that's Prime for young adults. It used to be Student Prime or Prime, Amazon Prime Student, but it's for 18 to 24-year-olds, and it's also if you're a student. So either or, you can be 18 to 24, or if you're a student, you can get Amazon Prime for young adults. Click that link and go get your 6-month trial. If you aren't between the ages or you don't qualify, then there is another link on here that you can click. That'll take you to the basic 30-day free trial. And then if you qualify, you can actually get half price through Prime Access. So if you need government or if you're receiving government assistance or financial aid or anything like that, you can actually click that and qualify for half price Prime. So it'd be discounted Prime membership. But 18 to 24 years old or a student, 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime.